We are continuing the series on capturing your own event yourself. When we are shooting an event, there are some time when the speaker is speaking slowly or talking about some boring topics which the listeners are not interested. But as a photographer, we have to cover that too. So here are few tips, action level tips, how to shoot that segment while giving the impression of a successful and energetic event. So the first tip, even if the whole hall by itself looks silent, there are micro reactions going on. Go towards the back side of the hall. You will find people doing something interesting. Someone pretending to be listening deeply, someone pretending to be writing something down, or two people talking among themselves, something, anything. Try to capture those pictures. And if the issue is the people are already leaving, you should avoid shooting the empty rows. In that case, try to get tighter shots. Like if there are 3-4 people standing in a row, here, and you can see the speaker that side, go behind those 3-4 people only and shoot from there. In this, if you combine two things, one, the viewpoint of audience, and another, the viewpoint of a speaker, these two combined will make it a complete story with pictures. When you have some usable shots, try to find more. Listen, today we are talking about the boring events where the audience are not totally engaged with the speaker. In that, when you have the normal shot, the viewpoint of audience, the viewpoint of a speaker, some picture of a speaker, some picture of audience, time to level up. We have now safety track. Now, even if it's the most boring speaker, there will be some laughter and some applaud. Okay, if laughter is not there, applaud will be there. So you have to try to take it. And one more tip here. If the speaker is speaking so slow in monotone, whenever he looks this side, this side, up or down, try to capture during those moments. It will get at least some energy in the shot. Few more things to make that shot worth it. Try to capture candidates, people taking notes, laughing, sharing something, checking their ID card, reading the pamphlet, and if you have enough pictures in different angle, repeating some people in different angle, some group, some other group, a smaller group, their viewpoint from that row, this all will make it complete video. So this topic was about boring events, but if you have shot your event yourself and want us to edit the raw footages in Bangalore, check the description.